Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best highest suction power vacuum cleaner you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many highest suction power vacuum cleaner and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each high suction power vacuum cleaner so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a highest suction power vacuum cleaner. First, check the suction power measured in watts or air watts, as this shows how effectively the vacuum lifts dirt. Next, consider the type of vacuum, upright, canister, stick, or handheld, because each suits different cleaning needs and spaces. Look for efficient filtration systems, especially 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝗀 filters, to trap allergens and fine dust. Pay attention to the dust bin or bag capacity, as larger ones reduce emptying frequency. Also, consider noise levels, cord length, and battery life for convenience. Attachments like brush heads and crevice tools can make cleaning more versatile. Lastly, check energy efficiency and warranty for long-term reliability. Always balance power, performance, and practicality before making your choice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.